Street bike all day.
This is massive. A sticker. Oh my god. Look at these 85s. It's nice right here. Only Ryanville Polo is still on Cowie.
450 F.
These things are huge. This one's full aftermarket. How much are these boys? How much are these boys? 864.
Do you even have a front plate?
8,500. Yeah, I got a front plate.
6 or 4 inch?
That's 4?
This is 6 inch.
Let's get 2 of those.
5 and a 3 is gonna fit.
Yeah.
Gonna be big. Yeah. What do you need?
I think I need some. Mine's definitely not like that. Nice. What else is there? Got little 50s. How much are these things? 50? 1,500, brand new.
That's it?
Jeez.
Could be
Hondas.
our next one.
Got some Enduros. These boys looking pretty. I think you would look nice in one of these.
These Enduros behind you.
It's up to 80. Alright, I'll put it. Might have to get one of these in Cali. Just look at that. It's beautiful. Nice engineering. Carbon fiber. Oh, oh, oh. These goggles right here are fire.
Oh, I meant to get you some more
Tear offs. Do that fire. I think I'm gonna do some motocross shopping spree because these goggles are fire, but I'm just getting my tires and some number plates. But love these stores. Goggles are my favorite. I got one of these. I got one. It's like 60 bucks. I'm gonna buy these soon because my boots are a little beat. These ones are nice American, beautiful. Some pretty sick custom helmets out here. What's this guy? There's Captain Underpants right there. Those are nice. Sounds pretty nice. I'm gonna cop this. It's only 500. That's cheap. Just picked up my tires from this Macomb Power Sports. Got them all mounted on. I had to get new spokes for the rear, so look at how beautiful, nice, and new these boys are. Brand new. Those are really nice, except the little scratch right there in the rim. But these spokes and this tire is gonna be nice. Ripping it with some nice paddles, new rubber on these boys. And this tire came with the bike, so there's that. They just tightened these spokes because they're super loose. But these back ones, they had to fully replace because they were so bad. And for putting this new tire on that came with the bike, tightening these spokes, don't look at the beautiful bike, and putting this nice new paddle tire on here, well, don't fall, and replacing these on the bike, it cost me about 370 bucks for the spokes and both tires to be mounted. So that's kind of a lot. coming soon, I got a bunch of aftermarket parts for my bike. Second video on putting more aftermarket parts on it. Quick look, bunch of stuff on the bike. So stay tuned for that video coming soon, because it is ridiculous how my bike looks, and the transformation from buying it for a G around the corner and looking super ugly, snapped oil plug. So don't forget to check those out soon, coming out tomorrow. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.